Hello, and welcome to another Hearts of Iron 4 modding tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover elements of AI modding. These include AI strategy plans, AI focuses, AI strategies, AI division templates, and AI design templates. In previous tutorials, we talked about AI will do blocks. These blocks, as seen in this example in the mobilization law we made earlier, are a key building block for AI modding. Any choice the AI can make in-game, such as what technologies to take, what event options to pick, and what laws to take, can all be configured by AI will do blocks in the blocks for those elements in the game. However, there are many other ways to modify the AI outside of these scriptable elements, including telling the AI how to behave under specific circumstances. AI strategy plans. AI strategy plans are high-level plans for a nation's AI to follow. They are found in the Common/AI Strategy Plans folder. Each plan contains an allowed block, which tells you what nation the plan is for, an enable block, which contains triggers that, if set to true, the AI will use, and an abort block, which contains triggers that tell the AI when to stop using this plan. One major component of AI strategy plans is the AI National Focus block. This block is an ordered list of what focuses the AI should take. This is used on historical AI to determine the historical focus order. Focuses are listed in this block in the order the AI will take them. If the AI is not able to take a focus due to not meeting conditions for that focus, then the AI will skip to the next focus until they're able to take that focus. Next are the research, ideas, and focus factors blocks. These blocks give a multiplier to AI will do calculations for what research to take, what laws and advisors to pick, and what focuses to take if the AI has reached the end of the AI National Focus block. These multipliers stack on top of what multipliers the AI will do block defines, and as always, a multiplier of 0 will mean the AI will never pick that option. Let's make the historical AI strategy plan for our new custom nation. First, in your mod's common folder, make the AI strategy plans folder. Then, make a text file for our strategy plan. Open the file and create a block for the plan. The block name can be whatever you want it to be, but it must be unique. In this example, we will call it MFC Historical Plan. Next, we need to add a name and a descriptor. These are only used for debugging strategy plans. They will never be shown to the player, so we do not need to provide localization keys for these. Next, we will add an allowed block and set this AI strategy plan to only be allowed for our custom nation. Then, create an enable block. As this is the historical plan, we can use the isHistoricalFocusOn trigger to enable this plan if the historical focus game rule is turned on. We can also add an abort block. This block will tell the AI to stop using this AI strategy plan if the conditions are met. In this case, we will abort this plan if our country ever becomes the subject of another country. Now we will add our AI National Focuses list. Create the block and list in order the focuses the AI should take when following the plan. We do not need to add the research, ideas, or focus factors blocks if we are not using them. But as an example, let's add the ideas block and increase the chance that the AI will take the custom mobilization law we made previously. Do this by adding the law's name followed by the number 20. This will add a multiplier of 20 to the AI will do. We can do the same in the research block by adding the ID of a technology category. In this case, we will add the technology category of the power armor technology we made previously. First, we need to add a weight block. A weight should always default to 1. The higher above 1 the weight is, the more strictly the AI will follow the plan for research and ideas. A number lower than 1 means it will be less strict while following the plan. AI focuses. AI focuses do not have anything to do with focuses on the focus tree. Instead, they are a set group of behaviors the AI will take that defines their in-game behavior and priorities. These focuses are defense, aggressive, war production, military equipment, military advances, peaceful, naval, naval air, and aviation. These can be modified in-game with modifiers in traits or ideas. For example, adding AI-focused defense factor 0.5 to a country leader trait will give a multiplier of 50% to the AI's chances to prioritize the defense AI focus. AI focuses also define what technologies the AI will prioritize when researching. These are the only values in the game that we can modify for AI focuses. To find these AI focuses, navigate to the base game's common/AI focus folder. Here we could find the generic AI focuses for research along with specific AI research focuses for the major nations. To make an AI focuses file for our custom nation, start by copying the generic AI focuses file to our mod's custom/AI focuses folder, then rename the file to be our country's tag. Open the file and append our country's tag to the end of each of the 9 AI focuses. Now we can adjust the values for each category of technology the AI will research. A higher number means the AI is more likely to research technology in that category. AI strategies. AI strategies are ways to tell the AI what it should or should not do. This includes who it should try to befriend, who it should prepare to attack, what equipment it should focus on building, where it should send its operatives, and more. A full list of possible strategies that can be modified can be found in the documentation file located in the AI strategy folder. More information, including breakdowns and examples of each AI strategy, can be found on the Hearts of Iron 4 Wiki's AI modding page. In a previous tutorial, we created a new power armor technology and a unit type that makes use of it. Currently, the AI will not make use of this unit. Let's create an AI strategy which will tell the AI to build power armor infantry units if they have unlocked the power armor technology. Start by creating an AI strategy folder in your mod's common folder. Then add a text file for the strategies. Open that file. Create a block for our strategy. The name can be whatever we want it to be, but it must be unique. Multiple AI strategies can be added within this block. Like AI strategy plans, we can make use of an enable and abort block. Let's create an enable block and set it to be enabled if a nation has researched the early power armor technology. Next, instead of creating an abort block, we can add the line abort when not enabled equals yes. This means that if the conditions in the enable block ever become false after the strategy was enabled, then the strategy will stop being used. Now, add an AI strategy block. In this block, we must list the type of strategy this strategy is. In this case, it will be a role ratio strategy. Next, we need to give the strategy an ID. In this case, the ID is an identifier for the role a division template will fulfill. In this example, we will call the role Power Armor Role. Other AI strategies will have different conditions and IDs that are required. Full details on what each strategy does and their requirements can be found in the documentation file on the Hearts of Iron 4 wiki. Finally, we need to add a value. The higher the value, the more units of this role the AI will try to build relative to other unit roles. Leaving it at 1 will mean the AI will try to build a few divisions assigned to this role, but they will not be a significant part of the army. AI division templates. AI division templates are what the AI uses to design what division templates it will use in-game. Each division template is assigned a role as defined in the role ratio AI strategy we created before. These templates can be found in the common/AI templates folder. At the top of the vanilla folder, there is a documentation file that explains how to create your AI templates. It is recommended to read this guide for more information. AI templates work by defining what the template should look like for a specific role, such as infantry or armor. In this example, we will make a template for the power armor role we defined in our AI strategy. Start by creating an AI templates folder under your mod's common folder, then add a text file and open it. Next, create a block for your templates role. In this example, the block will be called Power Armor Generic. Then add the line role equals Power Armor Role. This sets all templates that will be defined in this block as belonging to this role. Next, add an upgrade prio block. This is the priority that the AI will spend experience on upgrading units to this template for this role. The higher the number, the more likely the AI is to spend experience on this template. You can also modify this priority with modifier blocks. In this example, we will add a modifier of a factor of 0 if the AI has not researched the early power armor technology. Now, let's make our first template. Create a block for the template. In this example, it will be called Power Armor Default. Next, add another upgrade prio block. Each template has its own upgrade priority. The higher the value, the higher the AI will prioritize building divisions towards that template. meaning that if you want the AI to build towards one template, then swap to another one later, then the later template must have a higher priority than the previous template. Next, add a target template block. Here you design the template that the AI will build towards. Add a regiments block and list what kind of units the division will include. In this example, we will use the power armor infantry we created before. Add a number after the unit type name to define how many units of that type there should be. You can also add a support block to list what support companies the template uses, followed by a number 1. Let's go a step further and add an upgraded version of the template. Here's one we made earlier. This will take effect if the country has more than 50 military factories due to this modifier in the upgrade priority. However, we can tell the game to outright replace the previous template with the new template as part of gradual upgraded progression. To do so, we could add a replace at match, a replace with, and a target min match line to the previous template. These 3 lines work by setting this current template to be replaced by the template defined on the replace with line. So as long as the replace at match value is met and the target min match is at least the value set. These 2 values are the percentage on a scale of 0 to 1 that the template the AI is currently building matches the template as defined in this file. In this example, we have set the replace at match value to 1.5. This means that the AI will never automatically swap to the new template and will instead only do so when the new template's upgrade priority is higher than the current templates. Testing the AI in-game. You can test your AI in-game by using tools available through the in-game console window. Load into the game and open the console window by using the tilde key. Then enter the command human_AI and press enter. This command will make the AI take over the country you are playing as. When you unpause the game, you can see the AI starts to take actions. Next, you could enter the command AI view. This command displays further information about what the AI is doing via tooltips. For example, when we hover over the Army experience, we can see that the tooltip contains information about what the AI is prioritizing its experience on. To see how the AI is using the AI strategy we created, we could use the command imgui show AI_division_production. This will open a new window on the screen. If we open the desired tab, we can see the number of divisions the nation currently has and the number of divisions the AI wants to have. If we expand the tab with the country's tag as its name, we can see a breakdown of the number of divisions matching a defined role the AI has, the number the AI wants, and the number being built. We cannot see the power armor role we created on the list. This is because the country hasn't researched the power armor technology. If we unlock the technology and let the game play for a moment, then we can see the power armor role now appears on the list. We will now use the in-game command imgui show AI_templates to open another window. In this window, under the AI templates role tab, we can see each division template design the AI knows how to build along with the AI's priority to upgrade a division design to match the templates. By expanding a template type, we can see each individual template for that type. Then, by expanding the individual templates, we can see what division templates the AI thinks is the best match and how much of a match on a scale of 0 to 1 the template is. AI equipment designs. We can also tell the AI what designs to make for tanks, planes, and ships. These designs are also used to generate pre-made historical designs for the equipment designer. To do this, first create an AI equipment folder under your common folder. Then create a text file for the equipment designs. In this case, we will call it mfc_tank.txt and use it to define the tank templates. Open the file. Here, we can add a block for a collection of equipment designs. For example, here we will make a light tank block for our nation. Next, give the block a category. It is either land, navy, or air. This will tell the game if the block is to be used for tanks, ships, or airplanes. Next, add an available for block and add our country's tag within the block. This will tell the game that these equipment designs are available only for our country's tag. Note that we also need to tell the game not to use the generic equipment designs for light tanks for our nation. To do this, copy the generic tank AI equipment file from the vanilla game to the mods folder. Then open it, and in the light tanks blocked for block, add our country's tag. Returning to our new file, next add a roles block and add the land light tank role. This role defines what kind of unit this is and is a free text field like the role ratios used in the template designs. Next, we need to add a priority block. The weighting provided in this block defines the priority the AI has for creating this equipment. The higher the number, the more likely the AI is to prioritize creating these designs over other things that cost Army experience. Finally, we need to create at least one template for each possible light tank chassis. Here are some we made earlier. For each chassis, create a block. Then give that block a priority. Like with division templates, the higher the number in this priority, the more likely the AI is to focus on building to that template while ignoring templates of a previous chassis type. Then, in the target variant block, we define the equipment design in the exact same way we defined the equipment designs in the Orders of Battle tutorial. Here, the only difference is the addition of a match value. A match value is a number that determines the priority of each design. In these examples, each design of a later chassis type has a higher match value. This is to make the AI further prioritize later designs. Finally, there is the allowed modules block. This block contains a list of modules that can be used in place of the modules defined in the target variant block. The priority of using these allowed modules is done from top to bottom. This is useful for modules that can be upgraded, such as radios and autocannons, as the later upgrades can be used instead of the base design if listed here. This concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching.